Tell me when you're ready. Okay. So we took the carpet and the padding off in preparation to put laminate down. And there is old padding stuck to the floor that I have to take off so it's not going to be all uneven. It's a pain in the butt. And it's starting to hurt my hand from just that little bit here. And there's even what's it called? Staples still in some of this. So yeah, all needs to be taken off. And, I mean, it's not hard. It's just the fact that I have carpal tunnel and I haven't had surgery on my right hand yet. And I'm right-handed. I had carpal tunnel surgery on my left hand, so I could do it with my left, but it's not. I'm kind of clumsy on my left. So it's a long and tedious process. There was another staple. I'm sure if I was a carpenter, there's some kind of thing you can get that just scrapes the whole floor. Maybe not, but that's what I'm thinking. Okay.